Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so if you're new here, you are so welcome. So into to turn gray hair to black, guys, you're gonna be needing charcoal. You can actually use activated charcoal, okay? It's actually okay. It's gonna help to darken the hair. Now, far back, our grandparents actually used to use charcoal and black seed to darken their hair, and that's why I'm like, okay, yeah, I remember that. So let's try charcoal and other ingredients to darken the hair because it's gonna work so well. And then we're going to also be needing lemon, guys. Now combining charcoal and lemon is going to help so much to darken the hair, okay, because it's going to help to penetrate into the hair follicles where the hair grows from, or where the melanin of the hair stop producing, and it's just going to help to produce more. It's going to help to produce more hair melanin, and as well as making the hair super dark. Combining lemon with charcoal would effectively give your gray hair. And then you're going to be needing coconut oil, guys. Coconut oil is fast. Coconut oil helps to darken her hair. It helps for hair growth. It prevents split ends. Combining coconut oil with charcoal would effectively help to darken the appearances of your gray hair. And then we're going to be needing black cumin powder, okay? Black seed powder is a remedy that is great to tighten up your boobs. It also helps to firm up the boobs, and it is great for the skin because it glows the skin really well. Using it when it comes in contact with the hair, it makes the hair really dark alongside with charcoal. So this is going to be superb on the hair. So I'm gonna be taking in just gonna be pouring in some quantity of charcoal, it depending on how long your hair is, okay, or how thick your hair is. You can just pour in the charcoal. So we'll cut the lemon and squeeze it in, okay? So I would like to sieve it in case there's any shaft. No, charcoal takes a lot of water, so it actually consumes a lot of water, so we're going to be needing a lot of this lemon. Now I will just have to mix it all up. Now you have to patiently mix this because charcoal, this particular charcoal, doesn't just mix with water so easily. Okay, now let's go straight to the black seed. So I'll be putting about 2 tablespoons of the black seed, and then for the coconut oil, about 1 tablespoon. Make sure it's enough so it could go around your hair really well. Now you have to mix and mix very well so that the black seed and the charcoal can actually mix very well. Alright, so after mixing this, guys, then your hair dye is ready. Okay, so you have to keep it for like 1 to 2 hours. Let it, mix together. Okay, and then you would have to apply it. Okay, knowing that charcoal actually stains a whole lot, you can use a glove, a white glove, and then you use this and then you apply it onto your hair. Alright, so I'm just going to be testing it using my hand. So you apply this onto your hair. The thing is that when it comes in contact with hair, it makes it really dark. Okay, but if it's on your skin, it doesn't actually go dark like that. Okay, when you wash it like 2-3 times, it will go off, but in contact with your hair, it makes it really dark. So you have to at least continually use this, okay, because it's not like going to give you that super duper immediate darkness. Okay, you have to use it at most 3 times for you to see an utmost and a very visible result. Okay, so this is very natural and very cheap also. Now if you don't have the black seed oil, the black seed, you can actually skip it, okay, and just use the 3 ingredients, because I know the only ingredient that is going to be very difficult to get is going to be the black seed. Now when you apply it, you have to hold it on for a couple of hours. You can choose to cover it not to stain everywhere, or you can actually leave it for fresh air to get into your hair and darken your hair, and then you would go and then you wash it off. It's going to get darker and darker. So that's it, guys. I actually use my hand to demonstrate because obviously I'm having hair right now. If it was last month where I had my natural hair, well, obviously my natural hair is actually dark, so I wouldn't even want to darken it more. So it's dark, like dark. So maybe next time I have to use someone that has a gray hair. That's if I can get, but for now I can't get anybody that has gray hair. So it does work. Okay, go try it out and let me know how it is, and you have to use it and use it again. Okay, so that's it, guys. There you have it, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, share the video, and leave your comment below, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye, guys, and